The solution of this puzzle is absolutely unreal. It requires out-of-the-box thinking. This is a mouse puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts, including this circle with a mouse on it, into the frame. But as you can see, the obvious spot where you can put the mouse isn't big enough. Only if you remove this piece, you will be able to fit the circle, but then there is no way you will be able to fit this part into the frame. This puzzle was made by Be Puzzled. It has difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like the mouse puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. So how to solve the puzzle? As you can see, there are a lot of circle and half circle cutouts in the puzzle. And if you will be chasing away to put the mouse in one of these circles, you won't succeed, since the solution of this puzzle is absolutely unreal. It requires out-of-the-box thinking, and you will be really surprised at the end when you see the solution. So what we have to do is to remove the parts. Then we flip some of the parts, like this one, we can put right here. Then we grab one of the other parts, like this one, and we put it right here. Then this piece goes here. You already see that something is going on here. We put this part right here, and then we have just enough space to fit the mouse, and it is not a circle-shaped cutout. It is a square cutout, and the circle piece with the mouse on it goes into the square cutout. Looks absolutely unreal. If you like the mouse puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.